Sit, stand, lean, or anything in between. Be healthy and productive, work in the office or from home with FIL Furniture Enviro-Friendly sit-to-stand desks. Why sit when you can stand? Why stand when you can sit? Pre-program your favorite height settings. At the touch of a button, you'll be working the way you want to. Your hot desk and colleagues want to, your home workers want to, or anyone else wants to. It's that easy. If you're thinking of replacing your office or work from home desk, check out what FIL Furniture electric elevator desks can do for you. The elevator desks are brand new, high quality, affordable, and they can easily be assembled. The desktop is made of rubberwood, an eco-friendly timber. Yes, it really is made from rubber trees. It's durable, strong, mold resistant and built to last. The desktops are light grain, beautifully finished and with a cool rustic look to make any working environment look stylish. Breathe easy when you bring FIL Furniture's rubberwood desktop into your workspace.